Shit. That's it. From that big star.
Alright guys, Wagwan squad. Wagwan squad. We're out here, we're doing something different today. So, you know, the Top Lodge crew has had a bunch of different people come through. It started out with me, Dre, and Russ on the editing, with Najee and Joanne helping out. Everybody's gone different ways, still friends, still brethren. But Joanne is actually doing the editing now. Him and him girl made a drinking game. We're going to test it out right now. So let's go. Wagwan squad. So you saw the intro, you heard what we're doing tonight. Right now we have the innovators, the inventors, the every blood clot thing here. Watch them over there. Oh, they're so cute. Watch the lovebirds. Yeah, Alright guys, so this is a locally made drinking game called Booze Up. Up to 6 people. Rules. 2 to 6 players. Players must take a shot to begin the game. Bomba. Shot my blood clot. Each card consists of a dare. If a player fails to complete the dare, the player should take the amount of shots indicated on the card. Oh, okay. So yeah, check it out guys. Alright guys, so Booze Up. Let's check it out now.
18. It's 18 plus.
Alright, alright. We starting from 13. Let's get a little idea of what we're doing now.
Never carried the light on the camera?
Yo! That thing that bad dog!
Yo, let me see the first one.
Guys.
I'm going to print the words big on.
Yeah. Alright guys, so this is this is the prototype. So I'm liking the artwork on the back. Something the boss have already told me is that they're going to make the words bigger. So don't watch that in this game. This is a prototype. But guys, I'm already liking these. I'm not going to spoil them for you just yet. I want you to see them in game, in action. But this is looking good, guys. This is looking good. All right.
Yo, we can do this one.
What are you doing? What are we voting for?
The maker of the game that pulls the first card.
All right. You guys vote?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everybody who voted.
You voted?
Yes.
Me no man vote. What's the game called again?
Booze Up. Booze Up.
Yeah.
Should be called fucked up.
fucking name.
I'm sure the name changed as the game played.
I like it so far still.
It's kind of wild. It's very wild.
Fully boozed, huh?
Yeah. All right, let's go. First card.
Hello, good night. Yo, bro, what you doing?
Let me read what the card says.
Bro, the game.
No, man.
That's crazy.
That's
a scam.
Crazy.
yo. We're taking her to
I
Vegas.
didn't know that card games had cheat codes.
I thought it was a drinking game like a magic show.
That's what I'm saying.
No, I gave it to you, Julian. If you get a red card, you can pass.
So we are go. Dominoes, right? A shot using the person to your right's shoes.
That's
Oh,
that's
yeah.
your shoes.
I'm his left.
But you just played, right? You just pull a card. So
Yeah.
you're the players to his right.
You want to use my shoe? It's a croc.
Shoe.
Yeah.
It's a croc. A shoey.
A shoe? Like
Yes,
bound
shoe.
like bound to a vista?
Yeah, it's a shoey.
But probably don't want a croc still. It feel hot in there. It feel hot in there right now, dog.
Picked up his fingers, got warm.
They did. They really did.
I'll take three drinks rather than drink out here.
You wearing socks?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll do it.
You go drink?
No, this is from before.
Oh.
But I'm going to do it.
You gonna do it? Alright, we have to get video of you in it.
I want a naked garbage and there's a thing that across the room.
Oh no.
Monster. Okay, my turn.
Your turn.
Because James fuck up the rotation. Let someone of the opposite sex call your significant other. Who wants to call Brittany?
I'll call Brittany.
Opposite sex.
Oh, I mean,
I'm not there.
It'd be sick if a female do it though.
Say what they want. Alright,
Well, the opposite sex to me, right?
Tail
So
do
that would
it.
have to be a female,
Tail
right?
do it.
Another of his on UJ Fund, better. Like, hey, do you know PJ? I'm sure we all do.
Vibes, ready.
I'm sure this will have no repercussions whatsoever.
Yeah, bro,
I'm
cause
coming to you as a woman.
Yeah. Real bad thing.
ready?
Do not start with that.
Yeah, press the green button.
Press.
That's all I know, you fucker.
Can I put her on speaker?
Yeah, put her on speaker.
Yeah, from the
Yo.
30th to the 4th.
Alright, wait, what are you gonna say? Ask her if she know PJ.
I'm just gonna ask her what's up, what she doing.
He calling on his phone, yeah.
Yeah.
We're working at some festivals.
Oh, yeah.
That'd be the best. No, pick up, baby.
No, damn. Yo, you better pick up your phone, you know. That's all I'm gonna say. Alright. You get way.
That called fully get wet.
Oh.
It's called fucking lazy.
This is easy.
My back at you, yeah, actually makes sense.
Lick inside the ear of the person next to you.
That's James. James is next to
This is easy, yo.
It has to be played. It has to be played.
No. Joanne's not next to you.
I wonder who he's gonna pick.
Stuff ice in your underwear until your next turn.
Let's go!
Everyone take your time, take your time. Let's go.
You can't get smaller. Get the camera.
Is Jerry going? Oh, you want to video it?
Just
Buckler.
So you're gonna have to change
Brother,
plans.
yeah, the thing I wait you for. A long time in
That's
the
what
wet
she
shop.
said.
You go, PG.
My turn. Mine says, suck.
So pussy boy, so man, I can talk.
Suck the big toe of the person in front.
Do it. I feel like that's if you don't do a voucher drink, John.
no, bro, bro, you need some bread.
Brother,
Yeah.
my pants is wet, dog.
Come on, PG, do it.
Maybe if I knew you long ago. we only just met, you know what I mean?
Shave an eyebrow.
Hey, buddy,
Shave an eyebrow.
Can we please just, you don't do the whole thing, just a little bit.
No.
So they could be just a little chance.
you want to go with
Let's do a slitter. Slitter.
Yeah.
I know you can be like slit.
No, don't make me do it. Don't make me do
You
it.
can do a slit.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, one slit.
Alright,
You
yeah!
need like
It's something I need to get.
You don't need some. You don't need manual shaver.
You have.
I have 3 handfuls of ice in my fucking brief right now. My pussy wet. Dog. That pussy wet.
Do you have one of them electric ones?
Yes.
Oh, just link her to
Alright,
it.
so
It's my face razor.
Your pants are gonna be wet anyway. Just make me a drink for them.
Bro, I'm not moving. Yo, you make this
Yo,
drink.
ask Richie.
In my bathroom, you'll see the razor. That's the best. That's the best I can do.
Take left to right.
Guys, I can't last the whole turn.
Bro, fuck this game, bro. Draw 2 cards.
I think there needs to be my one criticism. You need to have some softer ones. So everyone is just
Like
drinking.
the soft ones are weird. Like it's like
But-
send your mother like a picture of you like naked. It's like,
But the ones you're doing, I can't do.
yeah. Pick back up that card, see how much he has to drink for that.
Yo, fuck, go.
Hey, dog. What you know? I can't handle no more. My balls are frostbite. Brother.
Disgrace, man. You know that.
My fucking ball sack is smaller than when I was born right now. Them thing they back up in my belly. What that? Man, this game a fucker, but my life.
I have to draw 2 cards. Take a shot of hot pepper.
Oh, I feel so professional.
Oh, hold on, please. Please. If you think I was joking,
Yo, I'll do both of these.
alright, please. Honestly,
Which eyebrow you want?
That comes.
Left?
Don't do things.
Oh, put it in light. Yeah. Just give you a little sweat.
PJ, don't do too much.
Yo.
Shake your hair out. Just have to run it through the video. You just have to tap down on it.
Yeah.
Oh, yo. Get closer.
That's it.
That's it. Yeah.
Yo, next time I'm gonna barber. She race up. Hello.
Hello, guys. My name's Jessica.
Wow. What's up, buddy? Hey, buddy. Yo, guys. Doms are the realest. If you need any construction, carpet, car cleaning,
Can't you turn this?
can you please watch my...
Oh my god, did you pee yourself?
No, one of the...
That's exciting. Why don't you turn it so you can... Jamesy!
I'm looking at you guys.
Alright guys, just feel
One of the things, yeah, just go pick a car. One of the things that made me pick, I had to put ice in my underwear. My cock is extra small right now.
Unusual?
Yes, yes.
I guess I'm mixing.
Yeah, those things. That's fucking retarded.
Can't say that word. It's 2022 now.
Top lodge. Have you seen James?
Yes, I've seen it.
And the second one says
Thank you.
the person to the right of you will provide you with a dare.
So we just go around.
Yeah, so it's going this way now. What's my dare?
Let me go see
What?
The dare goes to my phone.
Wow.
I said drink.
Nah, bro, we're good. Wait.
She answered that one quick.
Search and you shall find it.
Is it?
Yo, put a time up on that. Put a time up on that.
I know. We're not killing. 30 seconds. 30 seconds.
I love how she just knew exactly what they wanted to do.
Women always know exactly what they're doing.
All right, ready? Hold on.
No, I'll
I started.
No, I'm not trust
I
you.
started.
Yeah. No,
All right. Okay, ready? Ready?
She know where she's going now.
Oh shit, 30. Right?
She already find home.
That's crazy.
Just look out for the race eyebrow, you know?
Cause that.
Yo, bro, you don't know how you came in clutch or whatever. Yo, you're outside. You don't get me?
She's gonna see this and be like, you can call. What the fuck was that?
Sorry, this guy just you might get to unfollow us.
Yeah, they're not.
Outside?
Yeah.
You know the girl them
The
what?
person that looks like
Español no es malo.
Or drink, it's either or.
yeah, so much. She's like, oh, that.
James, look like you get boobs.
You know, subscribe it. You know, subscribe it. Subscribe to Top Lodge, no!
Who tell Blaze we have birthday the day before fucking stand cutting? Oh, the bomber clad. Then reach here and I'm going to fucking knock the bomber ass clot out. Bomber clot, dog! Exo Fridays, turn up at a Ross blood clot time. Promise you that. Big up Loss, big up Jordy, big up all of you. Now guys, it's 8 a.m. and we have reached Clarendon already. So, you see me, we're back to work. Work don't stop just because you have a little fun. You see me, you see me, you see me. So, you guys shoot bird?
Yeah, we shoot bird. Use last little
Get that boy. Oh, use a slingshot them? Okay. What you say, you want to shoot them pitch, you don't shoot a flying one yet?
Yeah, I'm shoot a flying one.
With a slingshot?
Yeah.
Bomboka, that's why you call it catapult? I cannot, I promise you guys, I cannot hit a flying bird with a slingshot. I barely hit it with the gun, you guys have seen the videos. You don't need dog up there. Them places are full of hog, man.
Yeah, man,
No.
tell you what I do.
I walk in there. on squad. What you dealing with? We're moving today. So, you guys saw the start of the weekend. It was fun, it was epic. Big up Booze Up, made by Danielle. Big up Joanne. Yeah, guys. So, we've had quite a busy weekend. Friday we were drinking, partying. Saturday morning I was up in the bush early. Jesus, early. And now I'm on the way out to Bog Walk. So, alright, yeah, I'm on the way out to Boggy. So, there we go. Alright guys, so we are nearly at Flatbridge, heading to Bog Walk for a little rally, you see me? Yo, my finger's still fucked up guys, and I am hoping that will be not a problem. Hi guys, at the film Flatbridge where people crash all the time. Guys, remember, stay safe on the road. Oh, fuck. Switch. I'll eat this. It's one of the oldest bridges in Jamaica, I'm pretty sure. But don't hold me to that. On squad, out here in the bucket hat, saving lives, to be honest. Yes. The beautiful Bog Walk. You know, big up to Uncle Peter and the whole family for always supporting us and letting us drive and race and all them things. Big up for people who come out, and big up the squad. We're going to the little track walk now, so I figured I would come show you a little bit of the track. Yeah, slippery. So you know, so probably a lot of sliding today, which is really fun, but the more I slide, the slower it goes, so you'll see. I just go slow in general. Slow car, don't know what I'm doing. I love it. Oh, is over here where the jumps are? Haven't really seen no jumps. Yeah. Alright guys, fun fact, Thomas just came to me at the office this week and I was like, oh, we have some big jumps, get ready. Brother, I never jumped a fucking car in my life. So, this is looking fun. Squad, check it out. And that way I jump. So, fly down this. Flat? Alright, the boss said flat, so guys, we go flat. driver in Jamaica. I just came first, as you see there first. Overall, I like to thank Timothy for teaching me what not to do at the corner by the bridge, you know. What is it? I tell you guys the truth. It's second out of 3 people, but beat somebody. Is it? Yeah. Yeah. So, you know, this was it was about 4. This was for you guys, for the fans. You're welcome. Yeah. So where all this blood clot noise was when I get my trophy? Oh, where this from? Yo, guys, a bag of sellout. Can't trust them. Can't trust them. Yeah. Oh, alright, you're on the team. Yeah. That's my tip. So that big stuff. Now drop it off. Alright, drop it off. We're here with this. Max, can you teach how to do a cartwheel? Caroline, go on the other side of Max and her. Show how you showed me. He taught me, you can do it. Wait, how do you? Max. Yeah, how you start with your hands. Okay, go. Cool.
Live from Max, right?
Like we you're not kidding.
You can't touch it on the road.
Well squad. End of a long weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed. Tried out a drinking game. We went to EXO. Toddy, big up, hope SNL was good. Went to Boozy's birthday party. Went chopping the bush. Guys, last work not for me. I know it. So I'm just not built for it. Can't. I'm so tired. Rally today was good. How did rally go? Sprint didn't go too great. We went, one lap was good, one run was good, but first lap I just spun out going around the corner. First time on the suspension, seeing how it feels. Don't really know. Second one was going good, and then I overshot a corner, and I was coming to a stop. The battery got disconnected, so I didn't get to finish. Then it rained out, but whatever. I had a great time. Being on dirt was awesome. I hope it looked good from inside the car. I just love being on dirt. Oh. I'm going fast. Yeah. Honestly, yeah, going fast. So, hope you enjoyed the weekend and see you next week. Gwan squad, thanks for watching the video. Very happy to have you guys here. Before you go, please just remember to like and subscribe. It'll mean the world to us. Thank you. See you soon.